North Orlando Pirates 2 Bolton Wanderers. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le bafethu. Ngixolisa ukushaya ividiyo late kanje abaziyo ngiyasebenza bafethu. Uma ufuna ukuqhubeka ungisupporte, shaya usubscribe lapho, ungifollowe, ulike le video bafethu khona ngizoyeka ukusebenza ngifocus full time ukushayela ama-video khona nizothola ama-video akhishwe ngesikhathi igame isathana kuphela. So igame ade idlala namhlanje bafethu ade kuyigame Orlando Pirates versus Bolton Wanderers. Iclub ke le idlala le England kwi-League 1 idlala kahle ke le club le niyibonile namhlanje ibhola ade lidlala, but ke ngibuyile ngayibuka kahle igame isiphelele iyonkana. Yabo first half Orlando Pirates ngizoqala ngama-positives. First half Orlando Pirates, to be honest, Orlando Pirates kusayilo Orlando Pirates le siyaziyo bafethu. Orlando Pirates isadlala libhola esilaziyo. Sipho Mbule mfethu, the guy yabo Sipho Mbule bafethu unetalent lo mchida lo. Yabo isisethu first half indlela edlala yakho Orlando Pirates eswini ikhombisile ngempela ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukufunctiona even bengekho labadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Sihle Nduli bafethu, Sihle Nduli, it was his first game today, but the way he commanded dead center Orlando Pirates, it showed ukuthi umjiji une-experience, uyazi ukuthi udlalela team enkulu. Ubegqo number 4 inamba yami kwel team ngempela bafethu. Umjiji usazoyidlalela ngempela Orlando Pirates. Ngifuna nje aqhubeke adlale kahle kanje njengoba engekho uMakhehleni Makhawule limele, uyena omele aqhubeke adlale kahle kanje. Sipho Mbule namhlanje was really impressed ngomjida. Yabo lama signings amasha, ngifuna ukugxila kakhulu kuma signings amasha. I'm sure abantu abaningi bazokhuluma ngalabadlale abakade bebedlalela basho ukuthi ibona basibozilile, but ngifuna ukugxila kakhulu kulama signings amasha. Tshepang Moremi, I didn't see much of Tshepang Moremi. I feel like the boy wasn't attacking yabo kakhulu because sifuna ukumbona attack. I mean thina uTshepang Moremi, we don't want to see him ma challenges yo defender kakhulu. Cha, sifuna ukubona attacker. We bought you as an attacker, not as a defender. We didn't buy you as a defensive player. Yabo sifuna ukumbona uTshepang Moremi epressa eyale phambili angabuya kakhulu emuva. Yes kumele abuye in some instances, but ke kumele uye phambili yabo. So kumunye umdlali ongichazile namhlanje indlela adlala ngakhona, Sinoxolo Kwayiba, I saw some glimpses of Sinoxolo Kwayiba second half. I didn't see much kodwa off lo mchida lo Osinapolis. They didn't give ibhola Osinapolis. I don't know why. Say second team edlale labachida abadlala second half, they didn't give ibhola ku Osinapolis kakhulu. Leyo nto engibulalele kakhulu umoya, but ke sengizoxoxa kuma negatives. Ama negatives ama le game le niyayazi ke bafethu Orlando Pirates ayishintshe. Last season actually, not first season, last season bengikhala ngento eyi-1. Orlando Pirates iyahluleka ukudefend ama set pieces. Orlando Pirates mikudlalela ibhola ingakudlalela ibhola kahle, ba rotate ibhola badlala ibhola, but when it comes to defending ama set pieces they always fail to defend ama set pieces. I don't know why. Maybe the coaching needs to sit down and address this matter. I know Coach Omusha wafika wenzisa ama drills ukuthi abadlali bakwazi ukushoot ama bese boxini, but he must go back and redo ama drills ama defender. When we get ama set pieces, tell your goalkeeper, if you are a captain, tell your goalkeeper don't come out. Tina will deal with the ball when I stay in your line, because when you come out, that is where we get caught. You saw igoli lokuqala namhlanje Sipho Chain did the same thing. Sipho Chain uvele waphuma isidingo singekho ladla igoli. Second goal kumele subtilize. I don't know noma inkinga go goalkeeper bethu noma inkinga kuma defenders wethu, but we always lose ngama set pieces. Le game le bengamele siyilose ngokomthetho, bengamele siyilose nje le game ngokwami, but ke we ended up losing this game go 2-0. Angazi ngokwakho ngangitshela ama comments regarding this game. Ngokwami it was a good game kwiside Orlando Pirates. Inkinga defensively, we need to do better defensively. I saw Mbokazi namhlanje bemnandi bafethu udlalile uMbokazi. Angimele sesikhuluma kakhulu ngoMbokazi. Mufukeng umjidi ongidlalele kamnandi mina today. We saw Sipho Mbule was exceptional. Tito Maswanganye bebedlala kamnandi swing namhlanje. Badlale kahle nje yabo. It was a new thing to us ukuthi okay, so dlalisa ama attacking midfielders out 2 yabo, into engajwayelekile ukuthi iPirates yenze, but namhlanje siyenzile leyo nto ukuthi siqalise ama attacking midfielders out 2 kuSipho Mbule benohlelo Maswanganye, and ibhola badlalile. It was a good game for me. First half hayi abajida bangidlale kamnandi. Second team it was a bit shake. I don't wanna lie. Second team yes idlale second half angazi, but ke abajida bangidlalele kamnandi mina bafethu. sesobona igame ilandelayo ukuthi senze njani. Yabo sesobona igame ilandelayo but ke ucoach kumele aye kwi-dressing room fethu ayobhala phansi right now. Ama-fans ayakhuluma right now, ambalela ama-games. Mezoqhubeka kanje i-pre-season kuyothi kuqala i-MTN Need uzobe like uzobe sengenaso spirit. Ama-fans azobe sehambile kuyena because lama games la kumele abe awina khona ezowina ama-fans. Mewina lama games uzowawina ama-fans. Uma edliwa lama games lawa ama-fans azosuka kuyena, azoba against yena. Mina ngifuni ukuba against ucoach umusho safika, angifuni ukumfayela ipressure kakhulu. Yabo ipressure iyona into ezomlimaza ucoach because once wenza into ezoshiwa ama-fans ilapho khona sizobona khona ucoach eshona phansi. Asifuna ukufana njengo-Kaizer Chiefs beshaya ngo-4-0 beshaya ngo-2-0 le beshaya yabo igoyi kanjalo. Kumele nje thina siqhubeke kahle ngelane yethu, singenzi izinto sitatazele. Kaizer Chiefs yenza izinto zayo, nathi kumele senze okwethu. Sine scheme right, sinama players are right. Kumele senze sure ukuthi next game we don't do complicated things. We don't complicate things. This is angifaqamanga ihlazo le club le idlala ku League 1. Ayidlali even on championship. Idlala kwini based on ama standard ala South Africa. Idlala kwi Motsepe. Ayidlali even on NFD, idlala ku Motsepe. The club le share namhlanje ngama set piece. They use ibhola nje elisimple. Ihlazo nje bafethu. Kumele sishintshe. We have to do better as a team. We must do better because ain't no way. Ushandu mfethu. Ushandu angazi mfethu, sengikhohle ukubala Ushandu. Why hlezi uzofaka Ushandu? Why hlezi ezofaka Ushandu? Why hlezi bezomfaka Ushandu? Why hlezi bezomfaka Ushandu? Bekwenze njani ukuze kufaka Ushandu namhlanje lapha na mfethu? Ushandu mfethu. Amina mfethu ngeke mina bafethu. Mhlambe yimi ongamthanda Ushandu but wamjida mfethu ngeke mfethu. Mila aligumbule manje ijezi mfethu. Alineke manje ijezi, yanikeza abanye abadlali bathi ukudlala. Bakhona abadlali abasha sibathengile. Why are we introducing Ushandu? Why are we playing Ushandu? Like that, it's like it was stated in his contract to adlale each and every game. I don't like to see that guy playing for Orlando Pirates. I said what I said. I don't like to see him playing for Orlando Pirates. Lamchida mfethu, he makes simple things complicated. Isn't they simple? Asikwazi ukhompyutha for i-league sino Ushandu. Ungangitshela ukuthi njobe izoqala isizini i-starter se-Orlando Pirates uzobuShandu. Ungangitshela ukuthi njobe izoqala isizini uVan Rooyen uzoshintshisana noShandu. Uzophuma uVan Rooyen kungena uShandu. Yabona nje hey bu